how to make a paper plane. I'm going to show you. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's a piece of cake. Firstly, fold it half by half. Yeah. Must be even. There's an end. Okay, secondly, just fold it this way, both sides. It's done. And then fold ahead. I don't want to kill this end. Blow it away. And then put it half by half. Yeah. And this way. Almost done. Okay, it's pretty simple. Yeah, plane is done. So you can write its name here. And when you play a game with your kids or students, this is really fun. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, just give me a like. Fine. Bye bye everyone.